So today, let's do this one. It's the first one. So imagine you're holding this ball and we're going to go from start on the left. Remember, we're going to do that breathing where we go. Now, 2 minutes together. Okay, let's keep it together. So exhale completely, inhale, go. Keep going. "30 seconds more." "1 hour left." Just joking. And conclude. Bring the hands down, breathe normally. Just let everything normalize for a few moments. Notice your heartbeat, notice your breath, notice any sensations through your body. Everything is normal, just notice it. So next, we're going to do this variation. So remember, you can interlace the thumbs, have the fingers together. Try and bring the hands in line with your shoulders. Remember the breath. All right, let's give it a try. 2 minutes. Let's do it together. If we do it together, we'll get through this and it will feel really nice. So 1, 2, 3, inhale, go. Keep going. One more minute. And conclude. Bring the hands down. Close your eyes. Again, just breathe normally. Notice any sensations. And rest. Now, if you do this for 4 weeks, you'll be able to do a whole 360. Just joking. So, really great pose for getting the oxygen into your blood, getting the heartbeat up and moving. These twists are so good for all your internal organs and for your spine. Really powerful. So now we're ready to go to the full expression. So you're going to bend your knees a little bit. Imagine you're holding this bowling ball or ball of light, whatever you want to imagine to. And we do the same thing with the breath, remember? So passive inhales, active exhales, and we're going to start on the left. So let's try and do it together. This one just for a minute because it's a bit tougher. So exhale completely, inhale, go. Keep going. One more minute. And conclude. Bring the hands down. Come back to your natural breath. Maybe watch that heartbeat. Relax your shoulders. Just breathe. And opening the eyes. So remember, you do it at your pace. Never strain. You want to be comfortable. But see how far it feels to go. And you'll notice as you do more of them, you'll open up a little bit and it'll be more comfortable. And that breath is so powerful for you. It'll really get you energized.